Hi fighters, how you doing? Travis here from Carter Cow Capital, helping you fight for your financial freedom throughout the Forex market. Today's Wednesday and it's a Wisdom Wednesday, and it's kind of a twofer because I didn't give you a video yesterday, so I make sure I end up talking about a testimony while I'm going through this actual thing. Just got done trading today and working through some of the systems and getting everything situated for the launch that we're going to end up having this upcoming Sunday. Very excited about that. I actually end up dropping a video a little bit later on today about that. But let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this is really set up for someone that is basically in the middle of their trading. So they have started, they understand what the market is like, and they're trying to figure out what their identity is going to end up being. I want you to think about this. Obviously, you have a certain type of way that you end up trading. Me personally, I'm primarily a swing trader. So that means that I'll place in one trade and then I'll let that trade go for maybe 2 to 3 to maybe even 5 days before I get out of it. However, you need to have a secondary type of trading to be able to use when the market conditions actually show that you need to use that type of trading style. So obviously, if I'm doing a swing trading type of style, I need to have a day trading or a scalping type of trade as well, which means that I end up placing in one trade within one portion of the day and get out that same day with a profit. Now, sometimes when you do that, you may end up leveraging a little bit more in your account, but that also means that you need to have separate accounts to be able to meet them actual needs for both trading styles. Now, I will caution you by saying this. If you do have two different trading styles, you do need to have two different accounts, because you do not want to mix up money and mix up funds that you have that are used for one trading style and be using it for a separate one. By mixing that up, you're going to end up being convoluted on what your idea of when you should get out, where your stop should be, and everything else like that. So quite frankly, if you're going to end up having two different types of trading styles, you need to have two different types of trading accounts. So let me give you a little bit of wisdom off of this. Anytime that you get started with trading, or anytime that you're placing any type of money in on any type of investment, you're obviously treating it like a business. If you're not treating it like a business, then it's charity and you're giving your money away. And obviously you didn't get into business, or you didn't get into the Forex market, or you didn't do anything where you're handing your money over and not expecting something in return. So I look at the Forex market kind of like I look at real estate. And let me show you how I'm kind of going to tie this into what we ended up talking about earlier. The biggest thing that I end up learning in real estate from some of the mentors that I just from talking to and everything else like that in different seminars, they always said that you want to flip, and then buy a rental, which means that you want to be able to buy a home, be able to basically renovate it real quick, get a quick profit off of it, do it again. So get another home, profit, and then make money off of it real quickly. And then after that, then you can buy yourself a rental property and be able to make money off of it. Now, let's correlate that to the Forex market. If you end up doing swing trading, then it's basically like you're buying rentals, which means that you're going to end up placing in money on a trade and you're going to let it sit for a little while. Now, what if that trade takes more than 5 to 7 days to be able to go through and be able to get in the profit? For some people, they're very okay with that. However, if you want your account to be able to grow and to be able to compound over time, you have to be able to have complementary systems. So this is where the flipping comes in at. If you understand and you have a strategy on how to be able to scalp as well, you can be able to do that within the day, make small low profits, and then after that, add that on to any one of your other swing trades that you want to be able to place in, so you can be able to have that held out. But by being able to have both different styles, then that means that you're compounding your winnings. And if for some reason your swing trade ends up losing, but your scalping trades end up winning, they can be able to basically cover up some of your losses or anything else like that within your trades. Now, if I provided value for you in this video, please make sure that you end up clicking on the like button, clicking on the share button. And also, I'm going to end up posting this video on my other platforms. So I would appreciate if you end up showing some love and just saying, hey, and if you want to start a conversation about being able to learn about the Forex market, then I definitely have products and everything else for that. But until then, like always, plan your trade, trade your plan. Y'all have a good one.